Hi, I'm Christy with Responde. We're a sustainable furniture company, and we've started manufacturing furnishings out of recycled and reclaimed products to create the most environmentally friendly furnishings possible. We're making tables that utilize recycled milk jugs for the tabletops, and taking bamboo as well for tabletops and finishing it with the whey from the cheese making process so that there's no VOCs. And it doesn't affect the indoor air quality that you breathe. Funding for the project will go towards trade shows and also certification of the furnishings so that they meet the highest green standards and can be utilized towards LEED credits. We're really excited to come to Jacksonville and display our product there. It will be our table line that we will be exhibiting, so we'll have a number of tables that are really fun colors, made with recycled milk jugs for the tabletop and then powder-coated aluminum. And those can be utilized indoor or outside. And then we'll also have an indoor line for desk or dining tables that utilize bamboo and are finished with the whey from cheese making. And so we're really excited to come and display to the community there and all the OneSpark participants and investors that will be there. You can find out more information about Responde at respondefurnishings.com. It's RESPONDE furnishings.com.